So before we go ahead, can you please introduce yourself?
Definitely, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Meenu Puri. I am from Delhi. I hold an MCA degree and I am a proud mother of two beautiful children. Apart from that, I have been running my YouTube channel, which focuses on spoken English for 4 years now, and I'm loving this journey. And my hobbies include listening to music, dancing, and traveling. That's pretty much
Nice.
about me.
Yeah. I think creating content is all about consistency and upgrading your uh, quality of videos, the way you talk, the way you record videos. Correct?
Right, right, right.
Hmm. So,
Yes, when we make content, when we make it regularly, we could become better at it. So
yeah,
initially, the audience retention doesn't come. People don't keep watching your videos. They just click away after 30 seconds. But as you become better at creating videos, then they start watching and they keep watching. And
yeah,
that's where the success lies.
exactly. How long people are able to watch your videos. Yeah.
Yes.
Nowadays, you see in every area there is a content creator, and I consider it a good thing. What's your opinion on people who are creating content and especially who are trying to monetize their skills?
I think it's a good thing. Like we wanted a career for ourselves, they also want, but now it feels that YouTube is flooded. So
Mhm.
right now it feels that YouTube creators are more than YouTube viewers. So that sometimes feels that who will watch our videos if everyone is a creator? But
Mhm.
there lies a hidden opportunity. If more people become spoken English creators, they would watch even more videos because they want to become successful like the other YouTubers. So I think still I would say there is a good we can say there is a good opportunity lies there is a good opportunity there. So even if lakhs of people become spoken English trainers on YouTube, even then I think only those people succeed who are consistent, who
Yeah.
are there to give value to people and who are there to help people as well, not
Mhm.
just make money. So YouTube
Yes.
filters out those people and only those people will stay. You must have studied read that in childhood, survival of the fittest. So lakhs of people join but only a few thousand stay. After a few
Mhm.
years most of them quit.
Yeah.
So it's
It's
like
all
that.
about consistency, and I just don't mean in English niche or conversational videos. I'm talking about in every field. You see the example of
Yes.
school or business. Everyone has a team, or they are at least trying to create a team where they can put their content so that people can know what they are doing.
And I have seen many people who have even lakhs of subscribers. They
Hmm.
also quit their channels. They also stop posting and completely leave their channels after a few years because you
Mhm.
can consistently do something that you really love and you are
Yeah.
passionate about. Some people start their YouTube journey.
Hmm.
Some of them become successful very easily also because their videos go viral in the
Hmm.
very beginning. It doesn't happen with everyone, but then they lose interest. Many
Hmm.
of them I've seen lakhs of
Yeah.
subscribers and they leave the channel.
Maybe they lose interest or they don't get the desired results, the kind of results they want to see.
Yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes. And
Uh,
maybe some of them are like they were expecting huge money from YouTube and
Mhm.
they found it very glamorous. But when they actually started working on it, they found that the money wasn't enough,
Yeah.
isn't it?
YouTube pays you in pennies unless you are getting millions of views per video.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
But I think if you compare it uh, from your time when you had started and now, you see there are more opportunities, not directly from YouTube. You can do other things as well, as you can put
Yes.
your content, you can put your business out there. And if you are providing value, people will reach out to you. So there is money. But again, you have to be consistent, you have to show up regularly.
Yes, yes, yes. So it's not like a get rich quick scheme. It is also something on which you will have to work very hard. You will have to show up, and it's like a normal business or shop where you have to open your shop every single day. It's not like
Yeah.
one video goes viral and you will earn
Hmm.
for your lifetime. So it's not
No,
like that.
exactly.
Mm,
How do you think
yes,
content creation as a career? I guess you are doing it full time now. You don't have any offline classes.
yes, yes, yes. I
Hmm.
am doing it full time now. When I discontinued my coaching center. At that time, I was giving online classes as well as I started working on my YouTube channel. But now, uh, slowly and gradually, my YouTube channel picked up and my videos started going viral. So
Hmm.
I think now I'm doing it full time because I have a few collabs as well, brand
Hmm.
collabs, and
Yeah.
some WhatsApp groups and YouTube and Facebook and all of that. So if I combine all of that, it's good. I won't
Hmm.
say I'm uh, earning too much and a very good salary, but
Hmm.
at this point with 57K subscribers, I think what I'm getting is okay. So I'm not
Hmm.
very
Hmm.
disappointed with YouTube, but I wouldn't say that it was something very easy to do. And I
Yeah.
think we don't want things that are too easy. Would you like to earn lakhs of money for what? I mean, when you feel that you didn't work, the work was not that hard enough and you didn't work enough for that.
Mhm.
We also don't want easy money. We also want to work hard for it.
Yeah, I mean, it depends on people to people again. Some people are looking for shortcuts, but there is no shortcut unless you have a filthy rich father or a financial background which can provide you whatever you need to. But again, it's about consistency, and as you mentioned that you have to keep on pushing, like survival thing you mentioned. If you are not fit enough,
Yes.
if you're not consistent enough, you're not going to survive anywhere, not just on social media, anywhere in life.
Yes,
Uh,
that's
uh,
true.
how about you compare YouTube from 2015, 2020, and now, like in the past 10 years? Do you think monetizing your skill has become easier and making career on internet has become easier?
I don't know. I think in 2010, I had not even dreamt of becoming a YouTuber or becoming a
Uh-huh.
content creator at that time. I think 2010, I created my Facebook account. At that time, it was a new concept, even Facebook. And I didn't even know
Uh-huh.
maybe YouTube existed or not. But
Yeah.
at that time, I didn't know that all these common people create these YouTube videos. I was not
Mhm.
aware of that, and whether these platforms paid money also. But
Mhm.
now I feel that when I started in 2021 and I started working on it and I was not getting good views, at that time I used to think that uh, it would have been better if I started earlier. So,
Mhm.
I think everyone thinks like that. I should have
Correct.
started earlier. Now there are so many spoken English trainers on YouTube. I should have started earlier. Now there is
Mhm.
no point. At thought like that, but even now people are starting. Even now they are getting viral. So I think if you have something amazing to offer, if you are able to be consistent, if you are confident enough, and you are giving value to people, you will still succeed. So it's not like I had started earlier, then it would have happened better. And now, yes, from 2010 to now, I would say now there are so many brands which can approach YouTubers and Facebook pages.
Mhm.
So yes, I think it's easy to earn money from them because if you are popular, like I have 57K following. So
Mhm.
if YouTube doesn't pay me enough, I can do something else with that fan following. So I
Yeah.
think there are multiple things to do. Yeah,
Exactly. Like your face value is there. Like if you have 57,000 subscribers, so people recognize you. So that's where brand is
yes,
going to invest their money, or they're going to approach people. And also,
right.
you have been creating content for long time. So have you been doing it alone,
Mhm.
or did you have somebody who was editing your videos, or helping you with thumbnails, titles, uploads, or have you been doing it all yourself?
No, till now I have been editing my videos myself and doing thumbnails and everything myself. I tried a few people, I tried to get a few thumbnails made by someone else. They didn't work that well. So I have to do everything myself. And I gave a video for editing also. That also I didn't like much. So
Mhm.
that's why I'm doing everything on my own. But I think after I reach a point of like 1 lakh subscribers or so, and I
Mhm.
start earning a little more, then
Mhm.
maybe I will get some help from outside. I would definitely hire an editor
Mhm.
so that I just focus on content creation and my time is not wasted. But
Yeah.
at this point, even at this point, I would say I don't think I'm earning enough. Yes, you can
Yeah.
understand as a YouTuber what YouTube
Yes, yes,
pays,
yes.
and Yeah.
Exactly, exactly. Unless you are getting a good cash flow, you're getting enough clients, you're getting enough
Yes.
brand deals, then you can afford an editor or somebody who takes care of your uploads and those things. And when you have
Yes.
a team, even a small team, you have creativity freedom. You can explore things, you can try different stuff, you can work on your writing and just recording videos, and editing part is taken care by them. But
Yes. Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So how do you find the idea of keep on learning throughout your life? Because editing is something you can't learn it overnight. It takes time to learn to edit videos, to put music and things like that. Just even basics.
When I started my channel, I learned some editing from my son. At that time, he was just 13, but
Hmm.
he knew some editing. Maybe, children are very fast these days. So I don't know
Yeah.
what he learned it for, but he knew
Hmm.
some editing and he taught me that. He edited few of my videos and said that, Mama, I will edit your videos. But
Hmm.
after 5 to 6 videos, he said, You are not stopping. I
Hmm.
thought you would make just 5, 6 videos, but you are not stopping. How can I edit your videos all the
Hmm.
time? Because he also had to study. So I didn't want to disturb him all the time. I started learning it. I learned it from him first. Then I started Googling and all. And
Hmm.
moreover, these conversational videos, you just have to put the cuts. It
Yeah.
doesn't need very elaborate editing. That's why I'm able to do it. But I think very elaborate editing we don't require, because I think even people who watch the videos, if the content is solid, they don't want those transitions and special effects and illustrations.
Yeah.
Content should be strong. Yes, I got that done from an editor, so
Hmm.
that they put some transitions, illustrations, special effects in my videos. That didn't work well, and I had to pay like 600 for a video which was of 10 minutes duration. So
Hmm.
editing is also expensive these days, right?
Yeah.
If it is a 10-minute video, that person charged me 600 for that.
Hmm.
So in the conversational video, we only have to put the cuts. That's why I'm able to manage it myself. It doesn't require very complex editing.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
But I don't know much complex editing myself.
Yeah, I'm trying to learn editing. I don't have any Premiere tools right now, even though I have a machine which can handle Premiere tools. But again, it requires a lot of time to get used to the idea of moving from one application to other. But hopefully, let's
Yes,
see.
yes,
In future, if I want to make different videos, I will have to learn editing, unless I can hire
yes.
a good editor.
Right, right, right. Do you put music in your videos in the background?
Sometimes, not in conversational videos, you don't need to put any music. But if
Yes,
I'm
yes,
doing
yes.
solo videos, if there is some background ambience, like music, not music, the disturbance you get from your neighbors, and I'm also exploring different areas. I go outside, film videos there. So sometimes the background noise is there, even though I'm using good mic, the noise is still there. So if I put some soft lo-fi or soft music, it cancels that uh, unwanted noise. So I try to
Right,
put a little
right,
bit
right.
of music, but the
Mm-hmm,
kind
mm-hmm.
of creators I follow, they have so much understanding of music, sound effects, and the transitions you mentioned. So even in educational videos, you can put them, but it's not possible with somebody who is posting a video every day or two videos every day. If you are posting
Yes,
one
yes,
video per
yes, yes.
week, then you can put that much effort and you are able to
Yes,
gain
yes.
views.
That much
Otherwise,
effort, as well as you can get it done from outside, because that way it won't be that expensive.
yeah.
If I am making a video which is about 20 minutes long every other day, that means 15 videos a month. In
Yeah.
that case, if that person charged me 600 for a 10-minute video, that means
Hmm.
I have to pay about 1200 per video.
Hmm.
Sometimes we don't even earn that much from a video, isn't it?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes. So the
Yeah, you
editing is
don't
quite
earn much.
expensive.
Mm-hmm. But again,
Yeah.
if you are able to learn, manage things on yourself, and once you
Hmm.
grow, as you mentioned that having a number in your head, 1 lakh, 10 lakh subscribers. So if cash flow is there, it's good to hire
Yeah,
or build a team.
definitely. Yeah.
Yeah. You mentioned that you are from Delhi. So how do you find the weather? I mean, we were talking about content creation, and I see a lot of people who are from Delhi. They are able to create content. They go outside, they make videos, vlogs. So, how do you find the weather to go outside and create videos? Have you ever tried that?
I think vlogging is a very daunting task. I
Hmm.
tried vlogging. I once went to Mumbai and I was on the beach and I tried vlogging. You have to
Hmm.
make multiple clips, and sometimes you will, yeah, like you will fall short of words. You will keep
Yeah.
thinking what to say, what not to say, because I am not a habitual vlogger. So I didn't know
Hmm.
what to say. And yes, it is very difficult because sometimes you are in public, and that is still okay. I can speak in front of public, but the weather, wherever
Hmm.
you are, sometimes there is too much air. It is too windy. Sometimes it's raining. Sometimes it's
Hmm.
very cold. Sometimes it's very hot. So
Yeah.
I feel comfortable when I sit in my room and make videos like this. That is the most comfortable space. But I think vloggers do a lot of hard work. They
Yeah.
work
They
very
do.
hard because I did some vlogs and that's why I got to know this.
Hmm. I was talking about weather because when you go outside, then it is not in your control. Lighting, temperature, everything. In your room, you can adjust your fan, right? You can make it comfortable and record the
Yes,
way you want to.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried vlogging?
I haven't tried vlogging, but I have tried recording videos outdoors. I go regularly. Because
Okay,
of
okay.
Ramadan, I'm not going outdoors, but I've been trying to go outdoors, film videos.
Mhm,
But I live in a village, so there is a small town, so there is not much to
mhm.
record, and so maybe if I move
Okay.
somewhere else in future, then I'm planning to continue vlogs and create videos like
So
that.
you make solo videos in your village, like you go out and you make solo videos.
Yes, sometimes about
Mm.
books or
Okay, okay,
any
yes.
topic that I want to discuss.
Mhm. But people love different backgrounds. Like I always make video on this background. If I
Uh-huh.
am in a village area, if I am in a garden and I
Huh.
speak, they will find it refreshing because they feel a change, you know.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
whatever I speak, whether it is a solo video, yes, definitely it cannot be a conversational video from outside. But if I
Yeah.
make a solo video and the background is different and you are in a different location,
Hmm.
people will like that. So
Yeah,
sometimes
they
we
do.
can give them a surprise.
That was the plan. I had stopped doing conversational videos, and I thought of continuing just solo videos. But again, I wasn't getting enough views, so I thought maybe I should continue this because this is a good
Mhm.
alternative. Like you don't have to put
Yes,
much
yes,
effort;
yes.
just record a session. You
Yes,
have some material to upload. But the plan is to
right.
get a smart board. I'm planning to
Mhm.
take teaching seriously. So I'm ready to invest some money, get a good setup here, a smart board so that I can teach and provide classes. So let's see when I'm able to get that.
I also feel that conversational videos are easier to make. They
Hmm.
take less effort and they do better. And the
Yeah.
outside videos, you have to put more effort, but they generally work. I mean, they don't work that well.
Yeah. If they do, that's great. Otherwise, you just regret that even after putting this much effort, where why I'm not getting any views. So there is
Yes,
this
yes, yes,
regret.
yes.
All right,
Correct.
ma'am. It was lovely chatting with you. If you want to add anything for the viewers, for the English learners, go ahead and we will wrap up now.
Yes, I would say only one thing, that be consistent. Consistency is a total game changer. If you
Huh,
are not consistent with your English learning journey, you will not see results, whether
huh,
you work 2 hours a day. If you are not consistent, you will not see results. That is my only tip for you. So
hmm.
happy learning, I would say.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. I hope you have a nice day and we'll meet soon.
Yes,
Bye.
yes, yes. I had a lovely talk with you. Bye bye. Take care.